National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing a waterspout 15 nautical miles south of M13 Reef, or about 40 nautical miles southwest of Manasota Key, moving north at 20 knots. Mariners can expect strong winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately.